Once you reach the top of the tower, you'll see Hot Springs National Park in every direction. On Bathhouse Row, the Buckstaff is the only continually operating bathhouse, which has offered hot baths and spa services since 1912. The Quapaw, notable for its distinctive dome, offers more modern bathing and spa services. It reopened several years ago after being closed for more than 20 years. Bathhouse Row represents a long series of bathhouses built to bring the hot waters of the federally protected springs to visitors, with varying degrees of luxury. The first structures built for this purpose were put up in the 1800s, but none of those structures still stand. Many iterations of bathhouses have taken the place of those lost to the various floods and fires of Hot Springs history.